Welcome guys. Let's do Cardano coin technical analysis and let me please tell you what are next target of Cardano right now. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now and please like this video too. And if you want to get $3,500 bonus of Binance, Bybit and Freemax exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message, first message. Then click on these links and create your account, and after initial 1 BTC minimum you can get these bonuses: $1,200 Freemax bonus, $1,600 Bybit bonus and $700 Binance bonus. Just click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are the targets. This is Cardano 1 hour chart, and here you can see Cardano successfully break this symmetrical triangle towards upside and ascending channel towards upside. Here you can see this area is very important. Here you can see Cardano break this, and now it is in upside uptrend, and it is at $1.36. What is the next move? Cardano's strong support area is now this area, $1.34, $1.35 price area. Maybe Cardano hit this again and after that it will bounce back. But if in any case Cardano price break this, in that case 1.32 is the support zone, and because of this upper trend line, and after hitting that, I think Cardano's price maybe can move like this. This will be the possible scenario, and if Cardano's price break this too, then this will be the final support zone, $1.30. But I think Cardano have to hold these support zones, $1.35 and $1.32. These are strong support zone for the Cardano. If this happens, Cardano's price definitely will boost like this. We have to wait for this scenario. And currently Cardano's price after hitting this strong support zone, $1.35, is in uptrend right now. If I calculate the height of this, and if I look at this, price target can be like this, but this is not a financial advice and not a trading signal for you, just technical knowledge. According to that, $1.40 will be the minimum target, and this will be the minimum target. And if I calculate if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please follow me on Twitter and Telegram too. And if I calculate this major area of this symmetrical triangle, let me please do this again. In that case, technical target will be like this. This is not a financial advice. This will be the possible scenario. Do your own research, or before entering in any trade or before investing in any coin. This is not a financial advice. This is just my technical knowledge. This is the possible scenario. And let me please show you the volume. Volume is missing in Cardano chart. Here you can see volume is very low, and we need strong volume like this. If this kind of volume comes, in that case price of the Cardano will boost, otherwise maybe some sideways action like this. Let me please show you my next chart, and it is important chart. Here you can see this is 4 hourly chart, and Cardano break this down sloping resistance trend line, and it is at $1.36 right now, and it is in this ascending channel right now. Here you can see see several touches like this, and like this. This will be a fake out. Here you can see, but now Cardano price break this towards upside, and this is a good sign. Here you can see this is break this Cardano price break this down sloping trend line towards upside and close 4 hourly candles above this. This is a good sign. According to the pattern, the target will be like this. Let me please show you $1.44, $1.45, and once Cardano break this area, in that case next target will be the this area, $1.51. Here you can see this area, this area, this area, this area. These are resistances as much as these are next target for the Cardano's price. If unfortunately Cardano break this downtrend line and break this down this channel towards downside, if this happens, in that case there is a good thing. Cardano support zone is at $1.23, sorry, and next support zone is at here you can see it is 1.25, sorry, and next is at this area 1.23, and this area $1.20, you can say. These are the support zone for the Cardano. You can say this. Let me please change the color for recognition. Here you can see. We have to wait. I think Cardano will change the momentum, and I think volume will come, and after that price of the Cardano will hit these targets 1.50, 1.60, 1.73, 1.90. These are the next horizontal resistance zones, and you can say these are the targets, but these are not a trading signal. These are my this is my technical knowledge. Please do your own research before entering in any trade. This is Cardano daily chart. Here you can see this is downtrend line, and Cardano's price hold this very successfully in past. Here you can see, here you can see, and here you can see. No, Cardano is in this. Cardano is going to break this in daily chart, this descending wedge towards upside. This is a bullish thing, and I think the target will be the $1.85. The this area. $1.85, $1.86 will be the target, I think. So we have to wait, and maybe this we can see this kind of scenario. Maybe a Cardano price goes up, and after that it will retest this, and after that I think Cardano's price can hit like this this target. This is the target according to the pattern, and next target will be the $2, but we have to be very to see this pattern very carefully. And if Cardano's break this towards downside and close daily candles below this area $1, in that case Cardano price can go further down, maybe very down, but until now we are in uptrend, and this is the major support zone, Cardano $1.25, and maybe Cardano price can retest this zone again, and after that price will pull back. This is my technical analysis, friend. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and follow me on Twitter and Telegram. Links are in this video's description, and hit the bell icon and share this video, and please do this for me. And if you want to get these bonuses, $3,500 bonus of Binance, Bybit and Phemex exchanges, go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit of 1 BTC, you can get $700 bonus in Binance, $1,600 bonus in Bybit, and Phemex can give you $1,200 bonus, but you have to deposit minimum 1 BTC. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.